Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. You deal directly with the owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2018 Grand Design Imagine 3670 MK double slide travel trailer. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Sorry, it's a windy day, so I do apologize ahead of time for the wind. The exterior length on the trailer is 32 feet 3 inches. Exterior height is 10 feet 11 inches, and the dry weight or empty weight when it came off the assembly line is right around 6,661 pounds. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is a one owner coach. The owners bought this trailer to stay in for about 6 months while they were getting their house built. And that's the only reason why they're selling it. They just needed it just to stay in it while they were building their house. Alright, you got an idea of the floor plan. First slide out here, it's going to be a super slide. It's going to be about 10, maybe 12 foot long, 3 foot deep. Accommodates the boot dinette and the theater sofa, dual recliners. And the boot dinette here is the ultra leather finish, as well as the theater seating. And show off those fabrics. All the fabrics seem to be in good condition. There's a little bit of a sagging right here on the corner, but I'm kind of particular when I do my walk-arounds. They're not torn up or anything. And this table collapses down and makes into a pretty decent double bed definitely for 2 kiddos easily, or one grown adult. Okay, in your theater dual recliner seating area here, that may have been an option. It's by Thomas Payne. Show off that Thomas Payne collection badge right there. One of the recliners, when you recline them, you have to pull a little lever on the side here, and one of them are broken. Here's one of the levers here. Little hook here. You just pull on it and this comes out. I believe this one's broken. If you know about repairs, simple repair, just basic do-it-yourself stuff, you should be able to fix that pretty easily. And you do have night shades all throughout. All your lights are all LED. Saves you on your battery. Before I get to the kitchen slide out, show off the rear here. This is where you have a little desk area. I noticed looks like that wall paneling here on this desk is bowed in, probably from a chair or something. It's just cosmetic, but anyway, I do try to point out everything. All your cabinets are all going to be, gosh, it looks like a real dark maple, but smoked glass finish. It's kind of neat, and brushed nickel hardware. Pantry area next to your 6 cubic foot refrigerator. Refrigerator is going to be automatic, gas electric, by Dometic. There's your Dometic badge right there. It's a kind of a stainless steel finish on all your appliances. Little rub mark right here on the wood. I'm sure a little touch-up marker, furniture marker, could take care of that. It might be a kibble drawer. No, just a regular little pots and pans drawer. Okay, in your kitchen area, it's going to be an island kitchen with a neat high arch faucet, Mullen style sprayer faucet, and the cool farmer sink. Should have started doing that a long time ago on the RVs, but nice farmer sink. It's going to be, your countertops all throughout are going to look like a solid surface, but they're a wrap. Okay, this is going to be your second slide out. Second slide out is going to be, it's going to be another super slide. It's going to be about probably 10 foot long. And about 2.5, maybe 3 foot deep. deep also. And there's your microwave with stainless steel finish. We are hooked up to 110. So we got always check to make sure digital readout works. And your 3-burner gas cooktop with glass cover, which is definitely neat. It's kind of dirty. Kind of put a rush to get this thing listed. Your front burner is going to be more than likely be a high output. It does have oven with glass finish, so you can see what's going on inside there. That is definitely neat. I'm going to show off that Furion badge for your oven, and show off that island kitchen cabinet area here. And there's a little bit of sign of rubbing on the cabinets here and here. Kind of looks like a stressed look, I think, but anyway. Okay, back up here, still in the second slide out, your entertainment center area. It's going to be a power lift. I believe probably going to be maybe a 36 inch flat screen TV. And the power lift is right here. You get the idea. I'll leave that up. Stereo with CD, DVD by Furion, and you can hook up your smart devices to it, Bluetooth, all that good stuff. You do have the Fireplace. We're hooked up to 110, and I believe this Fireplace will not work unless it's hooked up to 30 amp service. Alright. I do want to show off the flooring. It's going to be like a kind of a stone look. My feet are kind of muddy, and unfortunately I'm getting it dirty. Anyway, again, the coach has not been detailed. I just did a quick wash job on it with the hose. The whole property is pretty much mud, so kind of hard to get around without getting mud on your feet. Okay, walking into the side hallway. Oh, I do want to point out that is a motion detector light. Pretty neat. Of course, LED, like I said earlier, and it's going to be your full bath with foot flush China toilet. They're calling it a residential style shower. Nice stand-up shower. You don't have to worry about the tub climbing in and out of it. And nice skylight. Your ducted heat, ducted AC all throughout. I do want to point out this is a little dirty, so again, it's not been detailed. These vents, you can easily take them out and shake out the lint. And nice medicine cabinet, not just a mirror. Lots of cabinets, counter space. You can put odds and ends, towels or something right there off to the side. And again, your LED lights, they're all recessed puck lights. And again, your AC and your heat is all ducted all the way through. Your furnace, I believe, is going to be a 35,000 BTU furnace. And your AC is probably going to be I think they're calling it a 15,000 BTU furnace. It's still, or I'm sorry, 15,000 BTU AC unit. It is the large AC unit. Queen bed. Queen bed does lift up. Got a little bit of storage up underneath there. Nice gas assist struts, so it's easy to lift up and put down. Closets on each side of the bed with mirrors. And storage up top above the bed, above the headboard. Your headboard's going to be like that ultra leather or vinyl look. Nice little headboard. And you do have a more closet area over here in the corner. And if you wanted the second TV, you put your mount right there and hang your TV right there. Pretty easy to figure out. Okay. And your flooring's that stone look all throughout, easy to clean. And okay, it's going to be your thermostat controls right here, all digital, pretty cool. I've got the furnace on right now. Trust me, the furnace does work. It's going to be your control monitor here for your slide outs. Slide out 1, slide out 2, your power awning, which is a 21-foot out awning, power awning with LED lights that I'll show you. This is going to be, I believe it's a 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Whether you're boondocking or you're hooked up to shore power, 15 minutes later you have hot water water pump, easy to figure out. This is going to be your awning light and ceiling lights. These are your monitors right here for batteries fully charged. Freshwater tank, believe the freshwater tank is a 52-gallon freshwater, and the black tank or your toilet tank, it's going to be a 39-gallon. And gray one, it says gray 1 and gray 2, but it only has one gray tank as far as I know. But I believe your gray tank is going to be 71 gallons, so it might have 2 gray tanks on it. Yeah, showing one's got, so well, it's probably, anyway. Yeah, this coach is all winterized. Okay, and I do want to point out on this door, the screen is, one of the kiddos ripped it off just right here. So this little screen area probably needs to be replaced or paid attention to. Probably easy fix if you just want to do it on your own. This is a full Arctic insulation package, and that means your enclosed and heated underbelly is all protected from the elements. And you do have, I believe, forced heat or duct heat into the underbelly. Keeps your holding tanks nice and cozy, and you don't have to worry about your dump valves freezing up when you go into cold weather. Definitely nice. Okay, on the outside, they're calling it a high gloss gel coat, but definitely it's definitely a high gloss. See if I can shoot down the side here. All your decals are in great condition. Again, the coach has not been detailed. I just did a quick wipe down job with the hose because there was mud all over the front of this. Here's your 21-foot power awning, fully adjustable too, so you can make the water run off on one side or the other, or block from the sun. Okay, on your front cap, it's a front molded fiberglass cap with LED light accent. See if I can show those LED lights at night. That front cap looks pretty sharp. Here's your Imagine badge. Do you have two 20-pound LP tanks with cover, and you do have the power front hitch jack. And there's your battery. So there's your solar charger right here. Let's walk around towards the front. Usually I walk around towards the front and then work my way around. Do want to point out also on the jacks, these are the heavy-duty stabilizer jacks. This one is bent. Easy fix, $50, $100 to replace both of them if they need, but I think it's just this one's bent. The owner's had his son or somebody move it. The jack back up, so easy fix. Tinted windows, 80% tint on the windows. It's going to be your outside kitchen. Outside kitchen's going to have a 2-burner gas cooktop. Close that up. It's by Suburban. Looks like it's never been used, and if I remember right, I think the owner told me it's never been used. And there is a sign of, again, like stress look on some of these cabinets. I think it looks pretty cool, but some people might not like that. Outside plug-ins, and you do have like a little dorm style fridge. Here we go. And I do want to point out on your compartment door latches to keep them up, they're just magnets. Again, that's something that they should have done a long time ago. Just little magnets here, cleaner look. And while I'm here, the backside's real muddy. Show off those 15-inch aluminum alloy wheels. They are nitro filled. You see the green cap. And back up here, show what it looks like on the front back side here. Yeah, there's your large 15,000 BTU AC unit. There's your ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof. All your sidewalls are all going to be aluminum framed. Even your slide outs are all going to be aluminum framed. Sidewall construction. A lot of manufacturers cut costs. They'll just make them stick in tin. So backup, I'm sorry, you are prepped up for backup camera there. Spare tire. It's muddy on the back side. I'm trying to keep out of the mud. There's your enclosed underbelly. There's an LP gas hookup right there for an outside grill. outside shower right here, hook up. Just hook up your sprayer. Again, apologize for the wind. Okay, on the back there, it's going to be your 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. There's your big huge super slide in the living room. I did check the codes for water damage, did not find any issues. Checked for delamination, which is the bubbling on the outside, did not find any issues. Other than the fact that it's a little dirty and showing some signs of wear and tear on the inside, and that jack on the outside, that stabilizer jack. Other than that, it's a nice little trailer. There's going to be your furnace exhaust right here, 35,000 BTU furnace. This is 50 amp service, not 30. Most of them would be 30 amp. This is 50 amp service, and this is going to be your black tank sewer flush. Cleans out your toilet tank so you don't have to drag a hose inside. Nice service light whenever you're working back here. Here's your dumping station here. Here's your dump valves. They're up, hidden up in there, up into the underbelly. We've got mud everywhere. Okay, on your freshwater tank, again, I think it's 52-gallon freshwater tank. And again, those magnets to hold up the doors, pretty cool. Huge storage. It's going to be your lights for that front LED light accenting on the front cap. It's been winterized. The service department took it all apart and kept it open so that they can summerize it in the summer. And here's your battery disconnect. Saves you on your battery in case you left any lights on. Here's your plug-ins, cable hookup, satellite hookup, exterior shower. You have 2 exterior shower hookups on this coach. And freshwater Sani flush, so portable Sani flush. Okay, so one of them's going to be your water fill, the other one's going to be your black tank sewer flush, and this is for filling up for city or fresh water. Okay. Oh, and there's your solar prep right there. I know I didn't get everything because muddy areas really get me here. There's their new house. Anyway, that's the only reason why they're selling it. That's the only reason why they bought it, was to stay in it for about 6 months. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.